No, genuinely. What are you going to do about it?
We're going to do absolutely nothing.
Yeah, you aren't going to do nothing.
What are you going to do now? So what are you going to do? What are you going to do?
What are you going to do? How do you gather around here doing shite?
Nothing we're going to do. So what are you going to do?
Thank you, we're going to do nothing.
Yeah, so what are you going to do?
Nothing.
You're going to do nothing.
Fucking pricks. Nah, shut your mouth. I'm a mouthpiece going around throwing your little Trump flag around. You don't fucking stand for the working class of Ireland. You don't stand for shit, you little dirty prick.
Suck his big juicy yeah. Suck his big juicy
Benders, yeah. Get the Come on. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Nothing.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, we are. I stand for the ideas of James Conley. You stand for nothing. Nothing.
Donald Trump.
That's what we stand for.
You can barely speak a word of fucking Irish yourselves. You are nothing.
You stand for shit control.
What are you?
Cowards. Yous are all fucking cowards. Getting your little phones out recording for your safety. Yeah, you are fucking cowards. You are fucking coward. The lot of you is a little coward.